Oh, g'day ice cream lovers. Welcome to this session of the Scoop School. Can't tell you how good it is to have a little bit of company here down in the lab where we formulate all of our things, do a lot of training. Unbelievable. Nice to have you here with us. Do want to thank our episode sponsor, which is Purdy Products. That's right, I said it. Purdy Products. Purdy Products. Purdy Products make a line of sanitizers. They make hot grill sanitizers. They make ice cream sanitizers. The green label is what we use down here. It's a milkstone remover. It's a cleaner. It's a sanitizer. It does everything. It might as well pack up the place and turn off the lights for you so you can go home early. PurdyProducts.com. The link is down below. Thank you for your episode sponsorship. Now, again, we're all about trying to make your ice cream life a little easier. And one of the biggest problems you'll have, particularly on a busy Thursday night, Friday night, Saturday night, you're here at the register, and look, not everybody will ask for a receipt. Do you have receipts coming out all the time? Do you not? It's up to you. I will tell you though that this letter spike here is a lifesaver. So in all of our stores, when we operated our stores in Australia, we operated a store here in St. Louis, we would process all of our orders through our POS system, and then we would print out a ticket, and that ticket would be used, maybe not a receipt, but at least the ticket would be used in order to create the menu item, whether it was 2 chocolate shakes and a strawberry concrete, 2 scoops of cookies and cream and a root beer float, whatever it is, it would print out on an order, and our employees would process that order and then use this letter spike and put that order on the letter spike. Now typically that order came through with a date stamp on it and a time stamp on it. You can formulate them so the customer's name is on them. Don't always have to do that. Sometimes it adds an extra second, 2 or 3 to the process. Up to you, but do not throw those out, because as you're going through a busy Friday night, Saturday night, busy weekend, you should use a letter spike and actually put those receipts, once that order is fulfilled, onto the spike near the register. And the reason why you do that is for no other reason is that if someone comes back and says that, oh, my order wasn't right, or I was charged something else for what I actually went through, and you're only running 1 or 2 registers, that's going to be problematic when someone's in line and you've got to stop the transaction or the sales process to go back into the back end and go through previous orders to find this person's order. It can literally cost you anywhere between $10, $15, $20, because that's the time that you're basically not utilizing to go through orders. So we always used a letter spike like this. We kept all of the orders on there throughout the day. So at the end of the day, if no one came back, if no one had a question about their order, we would just take them off, throw them in the trash. But on the semi-rare occasion where a customer would come back and say, this order wasn't right, rather than halt the ordering and the processing of orders here, I can take that customer off to the side here, find their order in its paper version, and confirm the mistake, or confirm the fact that what they actually ordered was correct. As the next police officer, don't leave this where customers can actually grab it. This can be considered a weapon. So put it back over here or back over here, somewhere where the customers can't grab it, but somewhere where it's convenient for your order takers or your runners to basically put that paper copy, so that at the end of the night, if you don't have anyone coming back, you can just throw them in the trash. But if you do have the unfortunate circumstance where someone's coming in to confirm that order or complain that their order wasn't made right, it's right here in the stack. You can just take them to the side of the counter over here, fix them up, everyone's happy as Larry, and you're good as gold. Seems like a simple thing, but that's what we're all about here at Scoop School. Simplicity, helping you become more successful in the ice cream business. Closing up this session, do want to thank our episode sponsor again, which was Purdy Products. I'm going to ask you to do a couple of things. I'm going to ask you to subscribe. I'm going to ask you to like. I'm going to ask you to leave a comment if you think this is helpful, or what you use in order to make sure that you can confirm orders after a customer's left and then come back. We'd love to hear from it. Keep on scooping, folks. See you in the next video.